Thanks to the Korean Cultural Center, I got this Korean DIY papercraft lamp, and I decided to try putting it together with this beautiful kit. So come with us as we try to make something out of this. So this is what we're doing. Is everything in here? See what it's supposed to look like, because this looks like this. We didn't even wait for me to finish. You're opening it already. Well, yeah, open everything. Let's see what we have.
So actually we should have.
Wait, let's check the list.
So for that, you need your components. So these are the components. There must be a paper with 6 numbers. 1, 2.
Yes, now
we have that one. This one is checked. Then the backwood. This is the backwood, people.
Okay. In here, arranged according to how it is written here. We started by putting the components together to make sure that we have everything, and luckily for us, the old steps to follow to put the lamp together was included, so we just followed that. Oh, this, let me use this.
I want to.
Oh, it's getting thick. Did you see it?
Just now.
Can you see? It's meant to be like this when you have done step 3. We're still gonna do step 2 later because we are waiting for our glue to be. And after waiting for your glue should tick up. Show them the glue that is sticking up. Like that. It's meant to be thick like that.
Oh, we're meant to glue before we paint it.
Oh, we're meant to glue before we paint it, yes. Right?
Yes.
This is the second one.
Yes.
And this is the third one.
Yes. No.
Wait. This sticker though, this is a sticker.
Oh, yes,
so we just have to we don't need glue for this one.
Not to self. Do not use this for this. Use this for this.
Just record this thing, you this woman.
If I doesn't want to use this side, I think we should bend it.
Alright, this one. I gotta move this one. And now it's time to attach this on it. One thing I love about this paper lamp is the fact that the steps are there and they are very, very easy to follow. Although they were all written in Korean and I had to translate them first so that we could all do it together, but it was really fun doing this. We put together the backboard that the lamp is supposed to rest on, and this is us trying to fix the part where the light goes inside, because the transparent thing is where the light projects out of. Since this is where the light goes into, I feel like the reason why they did this is so the light projects the beauty of this particular paper, and the design there was actually very nice. I'm done with this one. Let me see. Why did you make it shiny?
Because I want it to be shiny.
What? This was how it looked like after we finished, but for some reasons we had to change the color of the backwood because we felt like black was going to come out better and project the, why am I saying projecting? Anyways, we decided to change it, and this was it. Say what?
Hey everyone, are you ready for the big review? Are you ready for the big review?
Wait, are you ready? 1, 2, go!
Like the Christmas tree or Christmas box or whatever.
Wow, this is so pretty. Can you turn off the lights? Let's see how it is with the lights off. Wow. Look at those lighting of the old place.
So you can use it as a night lamp when you're scared in the dark in the night.
Yes. Okay, you can turn the lights back on. Thank you.
Oh, I like it.
And that is the end. That is the end, guys. This was the outcome, and this is such a very nice aesthetics to have in the room. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like and share with your friends too. Bye.